discussing saving plans. Welcome to English Listening Time. Today, we're going to talk about saving plans. Saving money is an important skill that everyone should learn. It helps us prepare for the future and achieve our goals. Let's explore some ideas and tips for creating and sticking to a saving plan. First, let's think about why saving is important. When we save money, we have a safety net for unexpected expenses. Maybe your car breaks down, or you need to visit the doctor. Having savings can help you handle these surprises without stress. Saving also allows us to plan for big purchases or life events. You might want to buy a house, go on vacation, or start a business. All of these things require money, and saving helps you reach these goals. Now, let's talk about how to start saving. The first step is to look at your income and expenses. How much money do you make each month? How much do you spend? Write down all your expenses, including rent, food, transportation, and entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of where your money goes. Once you know your expenses, you can find areas where you can cut back and save more. Setting goals is an important part of any saving plan. What do you want to save for? Maybe you want to build an emergency fund with 3 months of living expenses. Or perhaps you're saving for a down payment on a house. Having clear goals helps motivate you to save. Write down your goals and how much you need to save to reach them. Then, break these big goals into smaller, monthly targets. This makes saving feel more manageable. One popular saving strategy is the 50-30-20 rule. This means you use 50% of your income for needs, like housing and food. 30% goes to wants, like entertainment and eating out. The remaining 20% goes into savings. This balance helps you enjoy life while still saving for the future. Of course, you can adjust these percentages based on your situation. If you have big saving goals, you might put more than 20% into savings. Another helpful tip is to pay yourself first. As soon as you get your paycheck, put some money into savings before you spend on anything else. This way, saving becomes a priority, not an afterthought. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This makes saving easy and consistent. Let's talk about different types of saving accounts. A basic savings account at your bank is a good start. It keeps your money safe and accessible. Some banks offer high-yield savings accounts, which pay more interest. This means your money grows faster. For long-term saving, you might consider a certificate of deposit (CD). CDs usually offer higher interest rates, but you can't withdraw the money for a set period without a penalty. If you're saving for retirement, there are special accounts to consider. Many countries have retirement savings plans with tax benefits. In the United States, for example, there are 401k plans and individual retirement accounts, IRAs. These accounts can help your money grow over time through investments. It's a good idea to start saving for retirement early, even if you can only save a small amount at first. Saving doesn't always mean putting money in the bank. You can also save by being smart about your spending. Look for ways to reduce your everyday expenses. Can you cook at home more often instead of eating out? Can you find a cheaper phone plan? Small changes can add up to big savings over time. Always compare prices before making a purchase. Sometimes, waiting for a sale can save you a lot of money. Another way to boost your savings is to increase your income. Can you work extra hours at your job? Or maybe you have a skill you can use to earn money on the side. Some people freelance or start small businesses to earn extra cash. All of this extra money can go straight into your savings account. It's important to track your progress as you save. Keep a record of how much you save each month. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app on your phone. Seeing your savings grow can be very motivating. It's like watching a plant grow. It takes time, but it's rewarding to see the results of your efforts. Sometimes, saving money can feel difficult. There might be times when you're tempted to spend your savings on something fun. It's okay to treat yourself sometimes, but try to stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember why you started saving in the first place. Visualize how you'll feel when you reach your saving goal. This can help you stay on track. If you're having trouble saving, don't be afraid to ask for help. Talk to friends or family members who are good with money. They might have useful advice or strategies to share. Some banks offer free financial counseling. These experts can help you create a personalized saving plan. There are also many free resources online, like budgeting websites and financial education videos. Let's discuss some common challenges people face when trying to save money. One big challenge is unexpected expenses. Your car might need repairs, or you might have a medical bill. These surprises can derail your saving plans. This is why it's important to have an emergency fund. Try to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This gives you a buffer for unexpected costs. Another challenge is lifestyle inflation. As people earn more money, they often start spending more too. They might move to a bigger apartment or buy a fancier car. While it's okay to enjoy the results of your hard work, be careful not to increase your spending too much. Try to keep your lifestyle modest and put the extra money into savings instead. Debt can also make saving difficult. If you have credit card debt or loans, you might feel like you can't save anything. In this case, focus on paying off high-interest debt first. Once you've paid off your debts, you can redirect that money into savings. Some people use the debt snowball method, where they pay off the smallest debt first for a quick win. Others use the debt avalanche method, focusing on the highest interest debt first. Choose the method that works best for you. Social pressure can also make saving hard. Your friends might want to go out to expensive restaurants or take costly vacations. It's okay to say no sometimes. Suggest cheaper alternatives, like hosting a potluck dinner at home or taking a day trip instead of an expensive vacation. True friends will understand and support your saving goals. Now let's talk about some fun saving challenges you can try. The 52-week challenge is popular. In week 1, you save $1. In week 2, you save $2. You keep increasing the amount each week until you're saving $52 in the final week of the year. This adds up to $1,378 saved in a year. Another idea is the no spend challenge. Choose a period, like a week or a month, where you only spend money on absolute necessities. Put all the money you would have spent into savings. Remember, saving money doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It's about finding a balance. Look for free or low-cost activities in your area. Many museums have free days. Parks and nature trails are usually free. Libraries offer books, movies, and sometimes even free classes or events. You can have fun and learn new things without spending a lot of money. Technology can be a great help when it comes to saving. There are many apps designed to help you track your spending and save money. Some apps round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and put the difference into savings. Others help you set and track saving goals. Explore different apps and find one that works for you. Just be sure to choose a reputable app that keeps your financial information secure. As you save money, you might start thinking about investing. Investing can help your money grow faster than a regular savings account. However, investing also comes with risks. Start by learning about different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Many experts recommend starting with low-cost index funds, which provide a mix of investments. Always do your research and consider talking to a financial advisor before you start investing. It's also important to teach children about saving. Start early by giving them a piggy bank or a clear jar where they can see their money grow. Help them set saving goals for toys or games they want. As they get older, you can open a savings account for them and teach them how to use it. Teaching kids about saving helps them develop good financial habits that will serve them well throughout their lives. Saving for big life events is another important topic. Many people save for weddings, which can be very expensive. Start saving early and look for ways to have a beautiful wedding on a budget. Buying a house is another big saving goal for many people. You'll need to save for a down payment, which is usually a percentage of the home's value. Research how much you'll need and create a saving plan to reach that goal. Travel is another common saving goal. Instead of putting a vacation on a credit card, save up for it in advance. This way, you can enjoy your trip without worrying about debt. Look for ways to save on travel costs, like booking flights and hotels in advance or traveling during off-peak seasons. As you save more money, you might hear about the concept of financial independence. This means having enough savings and investments to live on without needing to work. While this is a big goal that takes many years to achieve, even small steps towards financial independence can give you more security and freedom in your life. Let's wrap up with some final thoughts on saving. Remember, everyone's financial situation is different. What works for one person might not work for another. The key is to find a saving plan that fits your life and your goals. Be patient with yourself. Saving takes time, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Learn from your experiences and keep moving forward. Don't forget to celebrate your saving successes, no matter how small. Did you reach a saving milestone? Treat yourself to something small to acknowledge your hard work. This positive reinforcement can help you stay motivated to keep saving. Lastly, remember that saving is a lifelong habit. As your life changes, your saving goals and strategies might change too. Regularly review and adjust your saving plan. Stay informed about personal finance by reading books, articles, or listening to podcasts on the topic. Thank you for listening to this discussion about saving plans. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, every small step towards saving is a step towards a more secure financial future. Keep practicing your English, and keep working towards your saving goals. You've got this. Good luck with your English learning and your saving journey.